Look, hi guys, my name is Nate, founder here at NK & Co, and welcome to another episode of Nate's Tax Tips. Look, today I want to talk to you very quickly about investment properties. A very common question that sort of gets risen here in the firm, so I thought we'd make a quick little video about it. An investment property doesn't necessarily need to be a house. It literally can be any kind of property that you own. But the most common environment would certainly be a rental property. So the important thing to think about when we're talking investment property is how does this impact your tax position? Well, rental properties, there's two obvious environments at the moment, and that is that's either positively geared or it's either negatively geared. So, I mean, you can have neutral, but generally it's either or. Now, what this means is that it's either making you profit or it's going to cost you money and there's a slight loss on it. It's really important to figure out the difference between whether it is positively or negatively geared earlier on, because this is going to have an impact in your tax position. A positively geared property is going to add to your tax liability, so it's going to add to how much tax you owe, and a negatively geared property is generally going to give you tax credit, so it's going to kind of reduce what your tax position. But when you purchase an investment property, there is a protocol, I suppose, or some steps that you need to go through in order to make sure you're claiming what you're entitled to and that the property is in fact set up to be actually a deduction. Investment properties attract capital gains tax in most environments when they are sold, so it's important to firstly establish what the value of that investment property is at the time it becomes an investment property. Most cases, if you've bought an investment property for the purposes of being an investment straight away, the purchase price is most likely going to be your baseline. But the reason we need to establish this is because when you sell your investment property, we will need to determine the capital gain. And capital gains we'll cover off in another video in more detail, but quite simply, capital gains is kind of like the profit that you've made off that asset, and there will be taxes that will be associated with that. So a couple of things with investment property: make sure that we've identified what that buy price is at the time that it becomes an investment property. If your primary residence is converting to an investment property, you would need to get a valuation done on that property at that time. So we've kind of got markers and we can figure out what that value is between. Now, rental properties, investment properties, a little bit of a complicated topic. I do really encourage that you have a chat with your accountant or advisor before you go and sort of purchase it and understand the environment that you're about to enter into, just simply so you've got all the information. Like, for example, having a quantity surveyor come out and get you a depreciation schedule on the property and its contents. Things like that. We'll cover them off in some more videos, but there are quite a few steps to sort of figure out. But guys, investment properties, if you're getting into the market, congratulations and good luck with it. Tax planning is quite important. Record keeping is important as well around that. Do take the time to sort of put the energies into it. It's going to make all the difference determining whether or not we're positively or negatively geared and the subsequent tax position that's going to arise as a result. Guys, thanks for taking the time to watch this quick video. I hope it has been somewhat entertaining, and I hope you've gotten something out of it. Sorry about the coffee machine, there's so much going on. It's early morning here at NK, and I'm trying to sneak in a few videos. Have a great day, guys. We look forward to seeing you at tax time, and if there's anything else you'd like, be sure to leave a comment and hit the subscribe button if you've enjoyed these videos and want to keep up to date with a few more. Thanks for your time. Enjoy yourselves. Have a great day. Bye.